How to add payment method on Play Store app. Hello guys, so on this video I'm gonna show you how to add your payment method on Play Store easy and fast. All what you have to do is so simple. Just go to Play Store. As you can see, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do is click on your profile picture here in the top corner. Click on it like this. Now scroll down and go to settings right here. After you click on settings, it will take you to this page. Click on general option here in the top and click on account and device preferences. Now after you click on it, scroll down until you find add credit or debit card here, as you can see. Now from here you can add your debit or credit card easy. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.